is the Garvee heating mat. I really like this very much. It's 24 by 15, so ample space, and it has quietly become one of those things I use every single day, which is the highest compliment that a kitchen product can get. First and foremost, the product is very high quality, has very nice finishes. This constantly lives on my counter every single day. But what makes this special is a few things. The first is the A and B zones. It has 2 zones, which allows me to keep different dishes warm at different temperatures at the exact same time. I own several of these warming mats. This one is the only one that allows me to set 2 zones. Zone A at a certain temperature and zone B at a certain temperature. And then there are 6 temperature levels, which makes it so easy to go from plate warm to whole dinner while people trickle in. 95 degrees, 122, 140, 158, and 176, and 194 on both zones A and B. The other thing I like is you could set it 5 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours. For me, that works perfectly. Just perfectly. The surface is silicone and it wipes so easy. Just wipe it up and you're good to go. Genuinely useful for daily dinners. I don't just crack this thing out on holidays. I use it all the time. This has a timer. If I get distracted, which I do, this shuts off. Gives me peace of mind in my chaotic life. Garvee really rolled everything out on this model. This is so high quality. I just really like it. Keeps food at serving temperature without drying the food out. If you put your food in the oven, I have a tendency sometimes to dry things out. On here, I can put 2 plates and I'm good to go. I really highly recommend this Garvee electric food warming mat. This is 24 by 15, and the opinions in this review are mine based on my real testing and use of the product. The product was provided by the brand.